You might think Costco is just a place for bulk snacks and cheap electronics, and sure, it is that. But behind those warehouse doors is a massive financial engine. A business model so well built, it looks simple from the outside, but it quietly prints money like a machine. In 2024, Costco reported $246 billion in annual revenue. Many people assume low prices mean low profit, but Costco flips that entire assumption. Costco doesn't win by charging more. It wins by selling more, a lot more, while keeping costs lower than almost any retailer on earth. So today I'm going to show you how Costco really makes its billions. And trust me when I say, it's smarter than most shoppers ever notice. 1. The illusion of cheap. When you walk into Costco, the first thing you notice is value. Everything feels low-priced, oversized, and practical. Massive jars of peanut butter, 24 packs of soda, a pizza the size of a steering wheel, and of course, that famous rotisserie chicken that costs less than a fast food meal. It makes you wonder, how does a company sell premium products at such low prices and still pull in hundreds of billions every single year? The secret starts here. Costco doesn't win by selling products for more. Costco wins by selling more of them, faster and smarter, while squeezing every dollar out of a business model most people misunderstand. 2. The membership gold mine. Let's start at the real heart of the business, the membership model. Costco charges a $60 annual fee for a basic membership. To most people, it feels like a small price to pay for access to unbeatable deals. But here's the shocker most people completely miss. Membership fees account for nearly 90% of Costco's actual profit, not revenue. Profit, pure earnings. Think about that. Costco makes the bulk of its money before you even buy a single thing inside the store. And here's another wild fact. Costco's membership renewal rate sits around 88%. That means once someone signs up, the vast majority stay locked in for years, delivering steady, predictable revenue Costco can rely on like clockwork. Even if a customer walks inside and buys nothing, Costco already got paid. A store that gets paid to exist before earning anything from the aisles? That is long-game business genius. 3. Lost leaders. Smart strategy, not charity. Now let's talk about the items that feel too good to be true, like the $4.99 rotisserie chicken, or the gas price just a few cents lower than competitors. On paper, those are losses. Costco sells them at cost or below cost, meaning they technically lose money on those items. So why would a company willingly lose any money at all? Simple. Because those deals are Costco's magnets. The chicken pulls people in, the gas pulls people in, and once the shopper arrives in the warehouse, they don't just buy one thing, they grab 10 things, or 20, or a cart overflowing like they're feeding a football team for a month. Research shows that shoppers visiting for discounted essentials often increase their total cart size by 30 to 50%. Costco willingly absorbs a tiny loss on the chicken to secure a massive win across the entire shopping trip. That chicken isn't charity. It's a psychological foot traffic rocket wearing retail's cheapest price tag. 4. The treasure hunt. Now let's move into something even more psychological, the treasure hunt effect. Costco does something most retailers never do this well. The aisles constantly change. The products rotate, the deals shift, and the signage screams scarcity. Last chance! 1 week only! While supplies last. Shoppers browse differently when they believe something is rare. It triggers urgency in the brain. If I don't buy this now, I might never see it again. Costco uses boredom against you by making sure you never get bored at all. The excitement of not knowing what's coming next drives impulse buys. Costco's internal data suggests that over 25% of purchases are unplanned, a quarter of spending driven simply because Costco engineered shopping to feel like discovery instead of decision. You walk in for toilet paper and chicken and walk out with a luxury watch, 6 pounds of imported cheese, a patio heater, and 72 granola bars. Costco turned ordinary retail aisles into impulse warfare disguised as treasure discovery. 5. Kirkland signature, Costco's silent margin monster. Most retailers wish they had a secret weapon. Costco actually built one. And no, it's not a product, it's a brand. Kirkland Signature. Here's where the genius doubles. Kirkland products often perform the same or better than national brands, but Costco sells them cheaper. So customers psychologically trust Kirkland as if they cracked a secret code. Premium quality without premium price. But here's the second twist. Kirkland margins are higher profit per unit for Costco than selling name brand equivalents. And the Kirkland brand makes up 25 to 30% of Costco's total sales. So while shoppers flex online about how Kirkland is top-tier olive oil or S-tier batteries, Costco quietly smiles behind the balance sheet counting the larger margin dollars. Shoppers think Kirkland helps them. It does. But it also helps Costco even more. 6. Bulk psychology equals loyalty engineering. Costco doesn't package big because it likes big. It packages big because humans psychologically perceive quantity as value. A 40-roll toilet paper pack makes people feel like economic champions, even if they overspend. And that's part of the design. The unit cost is often 40 to 50% cheaper, reinforcing the value story that psychologically justifies the membership and keeps people returning. So while members think, I save 48% per roll on toilet paper, Costco's real math whispers, and you bought 40 rolls you didn't need today, so we increased volume predictably. Thanks for playing. 7. Wall Street loves Costco for boring reasons. Costco is not a flashy retailer. It is not a hype retailer. It is not a trend-chasing retailer. But investors worship the stock for boring reasons. Low debt, predictable earnings, 8 to 10% sales growth annually, fast inventory turnover, extremely loyal membership base. A 3% product margin looks tiny. Unless you remember, members pay membership fees that deliver 90% of profit, making product margins just the whipped cream on top of the retail cake. Costco is a retail tortoise delivering profit in hair packaging. 8. Store design as subconscious profit engineering. Most people don't realize this. Costco's store layout looks random. It is not random. It is warfare. Essentials at the back. Impulse purchases mid-walk. High-profit items at eye level. Sparse SKUs to simplify choice and maximize volume. Seasonal items everywhere. Samples to encourage lingering. Warm employees. No flashy ads. No overstimulating choices. Everything engineered to feel simple while spending sneaks upward. People spend 50 to 70% more than they planned simply because Costco engineered trust, urgency, and aisle psychology into their retail DNA. 9. The final secret? It's the emotional flywheel. The real secret isn't just fuel pricing or $4.99 chickens or private label margins or bulk psychology. It's this. People feel smart shopping there. They feel like the deal found them. They feel like Costco wins for them. Therefore, they renew again and again and again. Costco built loyalty on perception, impulsivity, scarcity, bulk sizing, private label trust, and membership-first profit. A machine that makes billions while members think they beat inflation one aisle at a time. If you enjoy business breakdowns like this and want more insider insights into how money-making systems really work, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.